End-of-year steps in GPI Internet. English Language Arts, Grade 6. Once again, data on the end-of-cycle examinations will be collected in GPI. Therefore, you have 3 steps to perform in GPI Internet at the end of the school year. Step 1. Enter exam data based on criteria within the rubrics. Step 2. Entering result of MELS exams to be calculated as 20% of the school year. And Step 3. Entering the mark for Term 3. To enter exam data based on criteria within the rubrics. A specific subject code was created for the purpose of data collection only, ENG6 ENG. Your school secretary will give you access to the EX subject. Okay. Step 1. Access GPI Internet in the usual way, using your user code and password. Step 2. Go to the tab Subject Group and select the EX subject. Step 3. Go to the tab Results. Step 4. Just above the Save, Cancel, Calculate, Produce Report buttons, you will see a white box with a Level 1 in it. Right beside the Level 1, there is a small black arrow pointing downwards. Click on the little arrow, and other choices will be offered to you. Select Levels 1 and 2, and click on the bigger arrow pointing right, just beside the white box. Levels 1 and 2 of the objectives will then be selected. Remember, you will have to do this operation every time you select a new EX subject. Step 5. You will now see the list of students with the competencies where data has to be entered. By moving the cursor over the words C2 or C3, you see the description of the competency. By clicking on the words C2, C3, you see the legend. Step 6. For Competency 2, C2, and Competency 3, C3, enter the overall fixed percentage as per the rubrics. You also have to enter the score for each criteria of the examination, C2.1, C2.2, etc., using the legend. Step 7. Click on Save. Step 8. We recommend that you do Produce Report and print it. You can use this report to verify that you entered your data correctly. As well, your principal may want a copy of this report. To enter the result of the MELS exam to be calculated as 20% of the school year, complete the following steps. Step 1. Access GPI Internet using your user code and password, and specify EX in the term. Step 2. Go to the tab Subject Group and select your regular English subject, English 610. Step 3. Go to the tab Results and enter the result of the MELS exam for C2 and C3 using the overall fixed percentages as per the rubrics. Step 4. Click on Save. To enter the mark for Term 3, complete the following steps. Step 1. Access GPI Internet in the usual way, using your user code and password. Nothing should be placed under Term. Step 2. Go to the tab Subject Group and select your regular English subject, ENG610. Step 3. Go to the tab Results and enter your Term 3 mark as you did for the 2 previous terms. Step 4. You can put in 2 coded messages and a comment that will print on the report card. Step 5. Once completed, if you click on Calculate, the final result will appear in summary, taking into consideration the MELS exam result previously entered and worth 20% of the school year. Step 6. Click on Save.
If you have any questions, contact Jill Robinson at the board office, extension 3121.